It always starts out simple. Early versions of your product require only a handful of tests to get the build ready for release. You can organize those tests easily enough by dropping them into a simple folder tree, categorized by, say, products or components. But as time passes, your product grows, your team grows, and you end up with the chaos of hundreds or even thousands of tests in the system. Some tests are for specific versions of your product, some of them for multiple components. Some are quick sanity tests, while others are for full regression testing, and the list goes on. How do you organize your folder tree now? Based on versions? Maybe based on level, sanity versus regression? Under what component do you file a test when it covers many of them? Remember that simple folder tree? Not so simple anymore. The result is wasted time searching for tests, or creating duplicate tests, or testers simply forgetting to run particular tests because the complete collection isn't easy to find. Well, at PractiTest, we've invested some serious time solving this problem for you. Our solution has become a customer favorite and leads to plenty of buzz in the industry. We call it the hierarchical filter tree, and here's how it works. Let's take a look at a typical test. Here, you can see that we're testing the backend and servers area of our application. It's a manual test of medium priority, and as we can see here, it's a regression test. Now, we can use all this information to create our filters, so we can manage our tests much more effectively. We have a filter tree that'll organize your tests, first by module or application area, and in here we may want to filter only those tests for the backend and servers. Now, even within backend and servers, you can drill down even further into this category and sub-filter by any other meaningful criteria you like. For example, here we can choose to see tests that are manual and not automation or load tests. This list of tests is a subset of the tests we had in the backend and servers filter. And because these are dynamic filters and not folders that limit a test to a single category, you can decide to filter by whatever field you want, like test by type. Here, for example, you can then go and review all of your manual tests, regardless of what application area you're testing. You can also filter in other areas of the system, such as issues management. For example, you can filter based on the bugs that are assigned to you, and then create a sub-filter that will show only those that are marked status fixed and need to be verified for the current version. Finally, filters can also be used to give you insight into your current overall status, using a dashboard of graphs and reports like this. The best part? Creating filters is really quick and intuitive. You just create a filter and choose the criteria. It makes it almost too easy to create as many as you need. In short, PractiTest filters give you a quick, precise, effective way to see only the data you need, when you need it. For more information, please visit www.practitest.com.